Hi guys, in today's video I will be doing a flexi route set, so let's get right into it. I'm starting on freshly washed and blown out hair, and also my name is Safira. If this is your first time here, welcome. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy watching. I'm using the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and this has coconut and shea oils in it and it smells great. I've been using this mousse for all of my flexi and perm rod sets for a while now. It's actually my mom's hair product, but I just borrow it from time to time. So per section I just use 1.5 to 2 pumps of mousse, and I take a little Eco Styler gel. I take a little Eco Styler gel for the ends of my hair as well, just to make sure it stays laying flat on the flexi rod. Now my technique for the rods is I like to wrap and twist at the same time. That's just how I get the most juicy looking curls, and since my hair is blown out, it doesn't take long to dry at all. So I repeat these steps for every flexi rod, and when I finish, I spent like 1.5 hours drying my hair using a blow dryer. It's way easier if you have a hooded dryer, since you won't have to hold the blow dryer the whole time. But yeah, just use whatever you have.
It's been a minute, oh you know I'm missing, not afraid to admit it. Say you need a time, but you know I wasn't with it. We won't know what time, just me you more. Now that's none of my business, in my emotions. Going through these photos while I go through the motions. Going through these texts so I can live in the moments. Never having closure is the reason I'm open. Maybe I'm open. Times are different, that's not why you distant. But I'm glad I ain't said it. Just now I hear you talking about how we ended. Everything I said and done, you know that I meant it. Yes, you know that I meant it. Say what you won't say, cause I feel the same way. Say what you won't say, doesn't matter anyway, no. Times are different, that's not why you're distant. Tell me different. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. I can't get it off my mind. On my mind, can't get it off my mind. I don't want my hope, but somehow I'm still in it. So I feel away, cause I know you're still in my mind.
Now starting the takedown process, I just gently twist the flexi rod in the opposite direction, and do this for all the flexi rods. After taking out all the flexi rods, I used my blow dryer with the diffuser on it just to make sure my hair was 100% dry. This step is so important when doing a flexi rod set. If your hair is even 90 to 95% dry, you can get really weird stringy looking curls, and you don't want that. I know what it looks and feels like, and it's not cute at all. Now I use this super light Moroccan argan oil to prevent unnecessary frizz while I separate my curls. I coated my hands in the oil and got to work. I take a little section out of the big curls and just retwist the ends as if I'm doing a finger coil. If your hair is 100% dry, your curls will bounce back immediately and you won't have any problems while doing this step. So I just repeat this step for all the curls, and this is actually the fun part because you can really see the look come together at this point, and you can just play around and create the style you are going for. I used my pick to create some volume at the roots and to shape my hairstyles. I also took my blow dryer with the nozzle tip attached. Then I just took random sections, stretched them out at the root and stretched it even more with a little heat from the blow dryer. So this doesn't take long at all, but it's such a crucial step for me when doing flexi rods. I don't like the shrunken curls. I feel like it makes my hair look weird, so I always go over this step as well. Now we've come to the end of this video. I love how this look came together. My curls look so cute and fluffy. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.